Good morning, all my dear students of class 5. This is your maths teacher and the host of this video, Ajit Haridas Mane. On the behalf of our school, Sri Patra Bhosle High School, welcomes into this online video lecture series for class 5 of subject mathematics. Now, this is our video number 6. So, in previous video, that is in 5th video, we take the introduction of subtraction process here. That means we had to continue in that video how we can continue the subtraction between given two numbers. So we have learnt its vertical arrangement, that also there. So I hope so you will be observe this video number 5 and you can understand the vertical method, vertical arrangement for the subtraction of two given numbers there. Now in this video, in this 6th video, we are moving towards the next part of related about the subtraction. So in our textbook, if you observe there on page number 13, we have given a problem set 11 there. Now in this third lesson, addition and subtraction, this problem set number 11 that given us, that is on page number 13. So two problem sets now we are going to explain simultaneously on the subtraction process here. So in this problem set 11, first we are getting the simple examples on subtraction method here. So a simple question given there as a subtract now. So related about this subtraction process, now we are going to start here problem set. So first example for this problem set, that's I am keeping in front of you. Now let's observe this example here. Now first I want to read the given example here. Now this is the subtraction between given two numbers here. So the first number is 8,57,513 minus second number 4,82,256 here. So after reading this example, the example present, it is given in its horizontal method. So we have to calculate the difference between given two numbers here. So we learned that the answer of subtraction is called as difference. So while calculating the difference between these given two numbers, it is important to make the vertical arrangement for these two numbers here. So look at the vertical method that here I am continuing. So in vertical method here I am using 6 columns. Now both numbers that given here into the first example, both numbers are of 6 digited. So here first column here I am making of ones, second column of tens, third column of 100, fourth column that is of thousands, fifth column that is of 10,000, and sixth column that will be of lakh here. Now into this column we had to arrange the given two numbers by a proper way. Now let's observe the first number how we can arrange here. 8,57,513. So we arrange first number in opposite way, that means starting from ones place. So we arrange 3 in ones column, 1 into tens column, 5 into hundreds column, 7 into thousands column, 5 into 10,000s column, and 8 into lakhs column. Thereafter we take minus sign there, and then we want to arrange second number here, 4,82,256. So while arranging this second number there, again we continue in opposite way, starting from ones place. That is 6 we arrange below 3 in ones column, 5 we arrange below 1 in tens column, 2 we arrange below 5 in hundreds column, 2 again we arrange below 7 in thousands column, 8 we arrange below 5 in 10,000s column, and 4 we arrange below 8 in lakh place column. So this is the proper vertical arrangement that you have to done. So after making this proper vertical arrangement, Now we are going to start here the operation of subtraction. So in previously videos in introduction of subtraction process, we learned that the operation or the process of subtraction we always start from ones place. So starting from ones, let's observe here we had to subtract 6 from 3. So if you observe here, we cannot make subtraction. Why? Because 6 is greater and 3 is smaller. So we cannot subtract bigger number from smaller number. So to continue this addition, we make one carry from 1 there, and at ones place we got number 13 there. So from that 13 we subtract 6. The final answer we get as 7 in ones column. After that, making subtraction of ones, now let's move towards tens column. So when we less 1 from that 1 given 1, making zeros there. So 0 minus 5, this is the actual meaning. So 0 minus 5 again not possible. So to continue that subtraction, again we take one carry from next 5 at hundreds place. So by taking that 1, we get a 2-digit number there, 10. So from that 10, now we subtract 5 here. So 10 minus 5, we got 5's there. After that, at 100 place, when we take one carry from 5, instead of that 5, there is remaining 4 only. So from that 4, we had to subtract 2. So 4 minus 2, easy subtraction there. So you will be get the answer as 2. Thereafter, at 1000 place, let's observe here 7 minus 2. This subtraction we want to continue. So it is again simple subtraction. So 7 minus 2, we got 5's there. After that, let's move towards at 10,000 place. 5 minus 8. This subtraction we want to continue. Now 5 minus 8, it is again not possible. Why it is not possible? Let's think here. 8, it is somewhat greater than 5. So greater number we cannot subtract from smaller number. It is the basic concept of subtraction. So to continue the subtraction, we take one carry from 8. Now when we take one carry from 8, we got a 2-digit number in 10,000 place column as a 15. So from that 15, we subtract 8 there. So 15 minus 8, we got 7. After that, at lakh place column, if you observe, instead of 8, there I am writing 7. Now one carry is less from 8. So instead of 8, there is remaining 7 now. It is the reason. So 7 minus 4 we had to subtract. That is the last subtraction here. So 7 minus 4, we got answer as 3. So after taking this last subtraction into this first example, the final answer that we get here, 3,75,257. So this is the difference of given two numbers here. So I think you have to observe this example carefully. Let's move towards the next example that we continues into this problem set. So second, serial number 2 that we taken here. So two numbers that we continues into this example. First, we want to read out these two numbers, 13,17,519 minus 10,07,423. So after reading this example, we want to arrange these two numbers in its vertical arrangement. So vertical arrangement, it is somewhat important to carry out the subtraction here. So let's move towards vertical arrangement. So how we can continue? So if you observe the given two numbers, both numbers are of 7 digits here. That's why in vertical arrangement here I'm making 7 columns. First column of 1, second of tens, third of 100, fourth of 1000, fifth of 10,000, sixth of lakh, and seventh column of 10 lakh plus. After that, we want to arrange the given two numbers at proper places there. So in first number 13,17,519, we arrange this number in opposite way starting from ones. So 9 we arrange into ones column, 1 we arrange into tens column, 5 into hundreds, 7 into 1000 plus 1 we arrange into 10,000 plus 3 we arrange into lakh plus and 1 we arrange into 10 lakh plus. So after arranging first number we take minus sign there and then we had to arrange second number 10 lakh 7,423 there. So that number also we arrange in opposite way starting from ones place. So in ones place if you observe we arrange 3 below 9 there. In tens column we arrange 2 below 1. In hundreds column we arrange 4 below 5. In thousands column we arrange 7 below 7. In 10,000s column we arrange 0 below 1. In lakh place column we arrange 0 below 3. And in 10 lakh place column we arrange 1 below 1 there. So this is the proper vertical arrangement that you have to done carefully. After making proper vertical arrangement we start the subtraction from ones place. So let's observe at ones place here. In ones place 9 minus 3, this subtraction given. I think it is somewhat easy subtraction. So 9 minus 3 we get answer as a 6 here. Thereafter if we moves I think towards tens column 1 minus 2, this subtraction we had to continue. Now 1 minus 2 it is not possible because 2 is greater than 1. So to continue the subtraction from next 5 that is at hundreds place we take 1 carry there. So after taking 1 carry at tens place we got number as 11. Now from that 11 we had to subtract 2 now. So 11 minus 2 that we get answer as 9 here. Thereafter at 100 place 1 carry is less from 5. So instead of 5 there is remaining 4 only. So from that 4 we had to subtract again 4. So 4 minus 4 we got zeros. Thereafter if we move towards at thousands place that is 7 minus 7, again same digit we had to subtract it here. So 7 minus 7 we got 0, that is the difference. Let's move towards 10,000 place column. 1 minus 0 we got answer as 1 there. At lakh place if we continue 3 minus 0 we got answer as 3 there. And last subtraction that is at 10 lakh place 1 minus 1 that we get zeros there. So after taking this last subtraction we got the answer in this way 3,10,096. So this number 3,10,096 it is the difference between the given two numbers in this second example. Let's observe the second example now. After this second example let's move towards the next example in our given problem set, that is serial number third that given into this. Now first we try to read out the given two numbers into this third example. The first number 68,34,501 minus second number 23,57,823 is there. So after reading these two numbers here let's move towards the proper vertical arrangement. So when we observe the vertical arrangement here we are using here 7 columns. Both numbers that given into this third example are of 7 digit. So we make 7 columns in this vertical arrangement. First that is obviously ones, second tens, third hundred, fourth thousand, thereafter fifth of 10,000, sixth of lakh, and seventh column is of 10 lakh plus. Now we want to arrange first number in proper way. So 68,34,501. While arranging that number we start opposite ways there, that is from 1. So 1 we arrange into ones column, 0 we arrange into tens column, 5 we arrange into hundreds column, 4 we arrange into thousands column, 3 we arrange into 10,000s column, 8 we have arranged into lakh place column, and 6 we arrange into 10 lakh place column. So after arranging first number, now we take minus sign there. After that we want to arrange second number. So second number 23,57,823. This second number we also arrange in opposite way. So starting from 3. So 3 we arrange below 1 in ones column. Next 2 we arrange below 0 in tens column. 8 we arrange below 5 in hundreds column. 7 we arrange below 4 in thousands column. 5 we arrange below 10,000s column. That is arrangement. After that, next digit 3 we arrange below 8 in lakh place column, and we arrange 2 below 6 in 10 lakh place column. So after making this proper vertical arrangement of these two number, so we start subtraction from ones place. So let's move towards ones place column. There is given subtraction between 1 and 3. That means we have to subtract 3 from 1. So I think this subtraction is not possible. So to continue the subtraction, we take 1 carry, I think, from next digit 0, but practically it is not possible. That's why that carry we always take from the next digit, that is after 0, that is 5, and after taking that digit 1 at ones place, we got a 2-digit number, that is 11 there. So 11 minus 3, we got answer as 8. Thereafter at tens place, it is practically not possible for subtraction. We continue the subtraction here. Instead of 0 we take digit 9. Why here I am taking 9? It is suppose that if we less 1 from 0, then it should be taken as a 9 there. So from that 9 we subtract 2. So 9 minus 2, we got 7 there. Thereafter, now 1 carry that we taken in ones column, that carry actually taken in that 100 place here. So from that 5 we less 1, and instead of 5 there is remaining 4. Now from that 4 we had to subtract their 8. Now 4 minus 8 is not possible. So to continue that subtraction, again from next 4 at thousands column we take 1 carry. So after taking that 1 carry, we got a 2-digit number 14. So from that 14 we subtract 8. So 14 minus 8, we got answer as a 6 there. After that at 10,000 place, instead of 4 there is remaining 3, because 1 carry is less from that 4. So from that 3 we had to subtract 7. So 3 minus 7 is not possible. So to continue that subtraction, again from next 3, that is at 10,000 place, we take 1 carry there. So it gets 2-digit number 13. So 13 minus 7, if we make the subtraction here, 13 minus 7, we got answer as 6 there. Thereafter let's move towards 10,000 place column. There is original digit is 3. Now from that 3 we take 1 carry in 1000 place. So instead of that 3 there is remaining 2 only. So from that 2 we had to subtract 5 there. So 2 minus 5, it is not possible. So to continue that subtraction, again we take 1 carry from the next digit, that is at lakh place, that is a 8 here. So we get 2-digit number at 10,000 place, that is a 12. So 12 minus 5, we got answer as 7. Thereafter at lakh place column, if you observe, if 1 carry is less from 8, instead of 8 there is remaining 7. So from that 7 we subtract 3. Now it is possible here. So 7 minus 3, we got answer as 4. and the last subtraction, that is at 10 lakh place 6 minus 2, it is again possible, that is 6 minus 2, we get answer as 4. So after taking this last subtraction at 10 lakh place, the final answer that we get, if we read out that number, 44 lakh 76,678. that is called the difference of the given two numbers into this third example. After taking this third example, here I am knowing that at 5 places or somewhat 6 places, here I want to use the concept of carry. So when you make the subtraction of given two numbers, and it will, if we need to take the carry concept is very important in this subtraction method. So let's keep in mind, if you make the mistake in such carry method, then you should get the wrong answer for that subtraction here. So let's keep in mind. Now let's move towards the next example into this problem set that I want to keep in front of you. So here I am taking serial number 4th example into this. Now this example in your textbook, in that problem set number 11, given at serial number 5 example there. Now this example that here I am showing in front of you, this example, if we observe, we have given two numbers. So first we try to read this example here, 70,12,345 minus 28,64,547. Now after reading this example, we move towards vertical method that we used in this example. Now if you observe here vertical method, in vertical method here I am using total 7 columns. So both numbers that are given here of 7 digited, so we use 7 columns. Now in this 7 columns, if you observe, ones, that is the first column, second tens, third 100, fourth 1000, fifth 10,000, sixth it will be lakh, and seventh it will be 10 lakh. Now after taking these 7 columns for the vertical arrangement, now we arrange first number 70,12,345 in opposite way starting from 5. So 5 we arrange in ones column, 4 into tens column, 3 into hundreds column, 2 into thousands column, 1 into 10,000s column, 0 into lakh place column, and 7 into 10 lakh place column. So after taking this vertical arrangement for the first number, we take minus sign there and we arrange here second number, 28,64,547. Again in opposite way we want to arrange that number. So starting from 7 at ones place, 7 we arrange below 5 in ones, 4 we arrange in below 4 into tens column, 5 we arrange below 3 into hundreds column, 4 we arrange below 2 into thousands column, 6 we arrange below 1 into 10,000 place column, 8 we arrange below 0 in lakh place column, 2 we arrange below 7 into 10 lakh place column. So after making this vertical arrangement by a proper way, now we had to start this subtraction from ones place here. So let's continue at ones place. So 5 minus 7, this subtraction we had to continue. So I think 5 minus 7 is not possible. You can remind the reason behind this. So to continue this subtraction from next 4 at tens place, we take 1 carry, and after taking that 1 carry at ones place we got 2-digit number 15. So from that 15 we subtract 7 there. So 15 minus 7 we got answer as 8. Now at tens place, instead of that 4 here I am taking 3 because 1 carry is less from 4. So 3 minus 9, 3 minus 4, this is the actual subtraction. So 3 minus 4 is not possible. So to continue that subtraction, again from next 3 we take 1 carry in tens place. So we got 2-digit number as 13. So 13 minus 4, we get answer as 9 there. Now let's move towards hundreds place. Now we get 1 carry less from that 3 at 100. So instead of that 3 we get remaining 2 there. So 2 minus 5, this is the actual subtraction. So 2 minus 5 is not possible. So to continue that subtraction, again from next digit 2 at 10,000s there, we take 1 carry, that makes 12, 2-digit number. So 12 minus 5, we get answer now there 7. Now at 1000 place, instead of 2, there is remaining only 1, because 1 carry less from 2, and that carry we take at 100 place column. Now 1 minus 4 at 1000 place, if you think here 1 minus 4 is not possible. So to carry that subtraction, so we take 1 carry from next 1, that is at 10,000s. So we get a 2-digit number as 11 there at 1000 plus. So 11 minus 4, if we make subtraction, we get answer as 7 there. Thereafter at 10,000 plus, if you observe, instead of 1 there is remaining 0. Now 0 minus 6 is not possible. So to take that subtraction, we take 1 carry from next digit, that suppose as a 0, that makes 10. This is a 2-digit number. So 10 minus 6, that remaining 4 at 10,000 plus. Now if we move towards lakh place column, instead of 0 there is remaining 9 only. So from that 9 we take the subtraction of 8. So 9 minus 8, we take answer as 1 there. Now at 10 lakh place, instead of 7, here I am taking as a 6. So 1 carry is less from 7. Now why 1 carry is less from 7? Remember, or you can think that now instead of 7 there is remaining 6 at 10 lakh plus. So from that 6 we have to subtract 2. So 6 minus 2, we got final answer as 4. So final answer we get here 41,47,798. So this is this number 41,47,798. It is called here the difference of these given two numbers. Now if you observe into this fourth example, at each place we require to take the carry here. So the carry concept is very important in this subtraction method. It is also important in addition method also, as well as multiplication there is also. So carry concept do not forget here. So after this fourth example, now there are remaining two examples in that problem set number 11 there. Now those two problems, that means those two examples and with extra two examples, here I am giving a homework. So the next four examples that here I am showing in front of you as a homework to complete in your classwork notebook here. So while getting this problem set 11 into your classwork notebook, it is important to finish the four examples that here I am explaining earlier and this next four examples. That means you have to complete total 8 examples into this problem set number 11 in your classwork notebook. So which these four examples that are given into this homework? So let's observe here. So the question is same earlier, that is a subtract, we continues here, and four examples that observe in this slide that in front of you. First example here I am reading as 45,43,827 minus 12,05,938. Second example 38 1213 minus 37,54,648. Third example, 95,58,746 minus 7,48,523. Fourth example, 32,42,754 minus 21,40,111. So these four examples for your homework practice. So that's about our problem set number 11 given on page number 13 in our textbook. So all examples it is compulsory to complete in your classwork notebook. That here I am saying at the ending of this video number 6. So at this place now we are stopping for this video. In the next 7th video that we continues here on the same topic, in that next video we are going to continue the word problems that given on this subtraction process simultaneously. So let's meet into the next 7th video. Till we had to stop. Thanks. Have a nice day.